Hello. Do you want to know why you don't get what you want? That's simple. First and foremost, you don't get what you want because you don't know what you want. The most powerful question in coaching is, what do you want? Can you answer this question? In my work as a mindset coach, it is interesting to observe how many people try to hand over all the responsibility to me as their coach. And it is my job to figure out why. Are they afraid, lazy, negative, full of excuses, in the wrong job? Or do they simply have no drive? I have to dig deep and then I call them on it. Leaders are supposed to be coaches and they have to make the time to figure out what's going on and what's important for their team members. Here's what I do. I ask for permission if I can share one of my observations. Then I call it like I see it. I tell the person all the positives I have observed and the one thing that they have to work on. That's not easy, neither for them nor for me. I take a deep breath and then I ask, what are your thoughts on this? That's the thing. I'm here to serve people and not to please them. If you put in effort, you will see progress. It is as simple as that. Let me give you an example. Before I qualified to be able to run the Boston Marathon, I worked with a coach. He designed a customized training plan for me, but I had to show up and do the workouts. It wasn't him, it was me. Progress isn't made in the actual coaching call. Progress is made in between the calls. If people aren't willing to do the work, they will stay in the same place with or without me. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.